In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Close CRM phone number. To make sure you know exactly where phone number controls live in Close, we'll walk through the same settings area you'll use to manage, add, or prepare changes to your numbers. Follow along in your own account so you can see these options in the exact place they appear. Start by opening Close and heading to your inbox. This is a reliable starting point because the main navigation is consistent from here. Look toward the lower left corner of the screen for the gear icon labeled Settings. If you don't see it, try widening your browser window or confirming that you have permission to access organization settings. Click Settings to continue. In the Settings view, find and select Phone and Voicemail. This section is where all phone-related configuration lives, including your numbers, voicemail, and verification options. Take a moment to scan the page so you recognize the layout. It will help you move faster later. Next, choose New Number. You may see this option as a prominent button in the top right or as a card in the middle of the page. Either path works the same. Click New Number to proceed. When prompted for the type, select Personal Number. This is the option used for linking a personal or external number you control. You might see a tile or example entry here. Click the Personal Number option to open the form. Enter your phone number carefully. Make sure the correct country code is selected and type the number exactly as it appears on your device. Small formatting issues can block verification, so avoid extra spaces or symbols if the field doesn't accept them. Click Verify. Close will typically send you a code by text or place an automated call depending on the method shown. Keep your phone nearby, turn off Do Not Disturb, and watch for messages that your device might filter as spam. If a code is required, enter it promptly. If verification doesn't complete on the first try, click Verify again after a moment until you see confirmation that the number has been successfully added. Once verified, your number will appear in Phone and Voicemail, where you manage all your phone settings. From here, you now know the exact path in Close to reach your numbers, verify a personal one, and make any subsequent changes you need. If something looks different in your workspace, refresh the page, check your permissions, and confirm the correct organization is selected. Thanks for watching, and you're all set to manage your Close phone numbers with confidence.